So we've done a lot of work with cake, and as much as I like cake, especially chocolate cake, let's see how else we can use our fractions. Even if I spent all that time baking, I'd probably want to go outside. So let's see our fractions in another context, walking. So here's our next problem with fractions. You walk 2/5 of a kilometer and then 3/10 of a kilometer. How far did you walk? When thinking about this problem, I know I need to do something with these fractions. I'm trying to figure out the total distance I have to walk. So I should probably add these fractions together. So I have 2/5 added to 3/10. Here again, I don't have common denominators. I can't just add these together. So let's see what we can do. But you might be wondering, what's a kilometer? A kilometer is a measure of distance. We use the letters km to stand for kilometer. There's also the word kilo. Kilo means 1,000. So we know 1 kilometer is really 1,000 meters. And you're probably wondering, what's that distance like? So here's a picture of about a kilometer. In New York City, Central Park is about 849 meters across. 849 meters is just shy of 1,000 meters. So we know Central Park is about a kilometer, but a little bit less than that. If you wanted to see for yourself how long a kilometer is, you could go outside. It takes about 12 minutes to walk a kilometer, depending on how fast you walk. All right, now that we know what a kilometer is, let's get back to problem solving. Okay, I've rewritten our problem at the top. You walk 2/5 of a kilometer and then walk 3/10 of a kilometer. How far did you walk? Let's picture this using a kilometer. I'm going to draw a bar that represents a kilometer. So this distance, or the full bar, would be 1 kilometer. 2/5 of a kilometer would only be this much. Let's do the same thing for 3/10. Let's split up our kilometer bar into tenths. So I have a full kilometer bar, I have tenths, and 3 of them are shaded to represent 3/10 of a kilometer. If I wanted to add 2/5 and 3/10 together, it'd look like this. I would have the 2/5 and then the 3/10. Don't fall into the trap of thinking this is 5 out of 15. I don't have 15 equally divided regions here. Even though I have 5 of them, they're not equally spaced. I can't add 2/5 and 3/10 together because I'm not dealing with the same dimensions or lengths. I know 1/5 of a kilometer is actually longer than 1/10 of a kilometer. So I can't simply add fifths and tenths together. Remember, I need to get a common denominator. So what do you think? What would be the common denominator for 2/5 and 3/10? You can enter your answer in this box here. Just give me only the denominator. What would you change tenths and fifths into?